How to clean and maintain your ICECO freezer? We will give you some tips in this video. Attention! Be sure to unplug the power before all operation. First, you can open your ICECO freezer, then simply pick up the raw food or fruit. Do not pour water exceed the maximum level line. Then pour clean water into the freezer with the bucket. Also, you can use a sponge to clean up the dirt. Remove the plug to drain the water out of the freezer. Using detergent to clean the dirt will be faster. After several rinses, use the drain hole to drain out the sewage. That's how to clean your ICECO freezer.
Nice.